Morning guys, well it's a lovely early morning. It's now 10:30 in the morning, Saturday, and I thought today let's go and see some waterfalls. Let's go. Right, we're here. So this is Melincourt Waterfalls, which is just up there where those people are walking towards now. So, let's get the drone in the air, let's go. Really excited about this. I haven't been up here for ages. Got to have essentials though. Coffee! Look at that. Right, so that's all the car packed up. So let's go and check out these waterfalls then. Goodness. Pointless map. I know it's up there. So that's where we're going. We haven't even just got started yet, and look at all these little ripples. So you can tell that something big is about to happen. I mean, look at these trees. So that's where we're at. So the waterfalls are getting slightly bigger now. You can hear the rapids increasing in intensity down there. So look, oh. Look at that. It's amazing. I'll tell you what, this place is just huge. Look at this. It's a nice little waterfall up here as well. It's a baby one compared to what we're about to go and see now. Those people just went past me now. I think they were the guys from the car park, and they're the only people that I saw coming up here. So hopefully we're going to have this place to ourselves. Wow, look at that. Must have had some pretty nasty weather. Well, saying that, it's Wales. We always have nasty weather, but a lot of rain to take down some of these big trees. See, oh, it's just fascinating. Look at all these colours. Still got the nice brown leaves for all this. There's another corner coming up right now, and I think it's just behind there. It's like something out of the Jungle Book. No, we must be what? 50 metres, 100 metres from the road, and we're into this. It's just absolutely spoiled, really. You know, and it's totally free, and that's what I've been missing, really. So I've been concentrating too much on the work aspect of it and taking out a bit of the fun, and this to me is fun. So definitely making more videos like this. If you think so, guys, hit the thumbs up down there, and we'll go and explore Wales together. Right, we can see it just about. Don't know if we can see it from here, but it's just between those trees there. Oh my word. How cool is that? What do you think of this? I told you it was good. Look at that, guys. Now that's a waterfall. And there's like 9 of these scattered around Wales. I think I'll be going to all of them for sure. Right, so we just got the camera out. I just flew the drone. See what? This is my shot at the moment. If you can see that. So I'm shooting an S-Log. So I'm going to try and get as much dynamic range as possible. I'm shooting in 4K as well, 4K 25 frames. Let's capture that. You can see how silky smooth that is now. What an amazing waterfall, guys. This is absolutely huge and so noisy as well. Look at the size of this place. It's like a big canyon. There's a tiny little waterfall there. Hello, waterfall. It's huge. I mean, look at all these textures on this bark here. Amazing. One of the tallest waterfalls in Wales, guys. This thing is huge. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Right, let's get to some pictures. You know what? I wish I had my GoPro right now and we would walk behind there. It's just crazy, guys. It is absolutely crazy. I mean, look at all these trees. And would you guys come here? I recommend it. I'll leave the link in the description below of where this place is. You guys can check it out on the map. Come and check it out. Come and take some photos. I tell you what, Wales, we are spoilt, and I mean spoilt for locations. Beautiful. Guys, if you're wondering what I'm filming on right now, I'm filming on my A7S II. Bearing in mind, it's only got 10 megapixels. It's not the best camera for taking stills, but I'm more of a video shooter. But I tell you what, when you've got locations like this, it does half the work for you. I am looking to get something like the A7 III or the A7R III, but for now, I'm just using my A7S II. If you ever come to Wales, you've got to come and check this out. You can actually walk behind this waterfall as well. If I had my GoPro right now, which it didn't die, I left the batteries in the car as well, which doesn't help. So you can actually walk up along this path here, behind that waterfall. Actually, I think I've got a picture of what I did with my girlfriend last time. I'll cut to it right now. Right. What a cracking day. Time to pack up, get back to the car and head back. Stunning location, absolutely beautiful, and it's free. Some of the best things in life are free. That's one of them. Absolutely awesome, guys. See what? Look at it. There's more people now. Just going up to that waterfall. Amazing. Absolutely stunning. Time for another coffee, I think. I am chuffed, absolutely chuffed. Superb day. Just hope these pictures have come out right. It's just so muddy up here. Just love all these little waterfalls down here as well though. It's just great. So it's Melincourt Waterfalls. That's where we are. So Sony user, 100% through and through. Still got my 7D, but my A7S II is now my go-to camera of choice. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just gear. But will that make you a better photographer? Probably not. I think composition is more important, if I'm honest. These are all these white things. God, what are these white things, man? Well, what an amazing shoot. I am so glad I came up today. Weather was great. Drone looked amazing. Superb way to end the day. So guys, thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Something a little bit different to being in my studio. If you'd like to see more, please leave some comments down in the comment section below, and I'd love to hear what you've got to say. Have you ever been to these waterfalls? Because I know there's like 9 around, so I think in these next couple of vlogs I'm going to be travelling around checking out some of these natural wonders, I guess, of Wales. I've been to one before, and I think it's where the Batman cave, where they filmed the entrance to Dark Knight or something, or along those lines, which looks pretty cool. So yeah, until the next time guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Signing out.